What's up, guys? You seen the title in the thumbnail. We back on them wings. We're gonna do Bourbon Buffalo Wings. Guys, you're gonna love this one. So get in your kitchen, let's go. Okay, let's do a quick rundown of what we have. Back here we have our chicken wings. We use some hot sauce. Use any type of hot sauce you want, guys. Frank's, Texas Pete, Louisiana, whatever you like, it's fine. In these two dishes, we have our bourbon, brown sugar, some salt, apple cider vinegar, some honey, butter, freshly chopped garlic. Here we have a barbecue rub. Now you can use any type of barbecue rub that you prefer, whichever one you like. I'm using some of this adobo honey back here. I love that particular rub. I'll leave a link in the video description if you like that. Garlic powder and onion powder in this dish and some W sauce back there. So guys, let's get to it. All right, so I thought I was recording and looked down, it wasn't even recording, but all I did was I took the chicken out of the bowl, put it in a Ziploc bag, poured a 1/4 of a cup of our bourbon. Remember, we had two dishes with the bourbon in it. I used one dish, poured it in our bag. We sealed our bag. Make sure you get rid of a lot of the air. And then I was right here just moving our chicken around in the bag, just like this. And we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes, let it marinate. Then we're gonna come right back and we're gonna get these babies onto our grill or in our oven or however you wanna do it, all right? All right, so we've marinated these babies for they've been in there about 2 hours. I had some things to do, but you know, marination, the longer the better, depending on what you're marinating. And with these wings, the longer the better. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna bring a bowl over here, open our bag, remove our wings, and you should have that nice bourbon flavor on it. Add them there to the bowl like that. Next, we're gonna take our salt and our barbecue rub or whatever rub you're using. We're gonna add that. We're gonna give this baby a good mix. And I'm also gonna splash this with a little pepper. Can't leave that pepper out. And I was looking at that, I was like, I don't see those dark speckles. I need that pepper, guys. This is looking absolutely amazing. So we're gonna bring over our baking pan. I'm gonna spray this with some cooking spray. Look like I'm running out of cooking spray. In that case, I'll take a little olive oil. We'll just brush it throughout our pan like this. So if you don't have any cooking spray, just takes you some olive oil. Next, we're just gonna take our chicken pieces. We're gonna arrange them here on our baking pan. Guys, I'm gonna air fry mine. You can put them in the oven, you can bake them, it's totally up to you. Go out there on the grill, put them on the grill, it's totally up to you. So now we're gonna head over to our air fryer. So the air fryer we're gonna use today is our Ninja Foodie digital air fry oven. I'm gonna put that link in the video description below. Let's go ahead and turn this baby on. We got it on air fry. We're gonna put that temperature on 380. I'm gonna put it on 22 minutes because you can cook these between 20 and 25 minutes, just depend on your air fryer, how hot it gets, and also how big your wings are. But I'm thinking we're gonna probably be able to cook ours between 20 and 22 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and open our air fryer, and I like the way this handle is over here on the end where you just pull it down like that. Just like that. And we're gonna hit the start button right here. We're gonna turn that light on. I like to cook it with the light on. And we're gonna flip these over midway through the cooking process, all right? So I'll see you guys in about 11 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're coming in to our last minute or so. I think we're done here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause. I can look at it. Those wings look really, really good and brown like I like them. Let's pull this out. Let's take a look at them real quick. Man, look at that color on them babies. Yeah, y'all see that? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep them here in our Ninja Foodie air fryer oven, and I'm gonna let them sit there and let them warm while we prepare our Bourbon Buffalo sauce, all right? So let's head over to our cooktop. All right, so to prepare our sauce, we're gonna heat up our cooktop. We're gonna start melting our butter. All right, so once your butter has melted, you wanna start slowly adding in your bourbon and your brown sugar. And we're gonna mix this in until the butter dissolves our brown sugar. Next, we're gonna go in with our remaining of our ingredients, our hot sauce, apple cider vinegar, that W sauce, and our honey. And we're gonna get this mixed up. We're gonna bring it to a slight boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna reduce our heat to low. And we're gonna let it simmer until that sauce starts to thicken up for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, guys, so we're about 25 minutes in. I'm gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna head over to our cutting board, add our cooked chicken wings to a bowl, get these babies sauced up, get into quality control and the final presentation. There you have it, guys, Bourbon Buffalo Wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can test them out. They smell so good. Let's go. All right, we back in here. Quality control time. Y'all already know my favorite part of the show. Hey, take a look at them Bourbon Buffalo. Oh, man. Without further ado, we're not going to waste no time. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Oh, man. Listen, if you like that buffalo flavor, oh man, you're gonna love this one here. Y'all already know if I'm the king, so there ain't no use in me bragging on these wings. Just go check them out. And until then, I'm the cook, Spinelli, all wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.